Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your TUF gaming A15 is not turning on and what you can do about it. So what you can try to do, and maybe this is going to work out. So you want to hold the power button for about like 40 to 60 seconds. Now you want to unplug everything. So unplug the adapter, USB, everything, and just hold the power button and you will see if it's going to work out or no. The second thing that you can try, maybe it's need to be like discharged. So try to leave it for the night, like completely without battery, and then try to turn it on. This is the second thing. The third thing is to try to just leave it on the battery for a few hours if you don't have it on battery, so you need to be like fully charged. Try that also. And then what you can try to do is press Control, Windows, Shift and B together, and maybe this is going to also work for you. So let me down in the comments what helped you for your laptop for TUF Gaming A15. And thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.